There's so many moments you could share with anyone, someone, and you just feel like that moment will last forever when it's only a night, it's only a moment.
Fate has its tricky ways of throwing something in front of you you've never expected.
My philosophy in life is don't regret anything you do. Because in the end, it makes you who you are.
I just wish there's no such thing as fighting, that the world could just be like perfect and everybody can get along. But obviously that can't happen.
Imagine a time when the truth ran free, the birth of a song, the death of a dream, closer to the edge. This never-ending story. We all fall short of glory, lost in ourselves. I'm sorry. One day, maybe we'll make it. No, I'm not saying I'm sorry. One day, maybe we'll make it again.
Za Črnomerce donje.
Donji Črnomerci, a ideš segede od transformator, kreneš ljeva da se, onda ideš ravno do Savskog mosta. Kod Savskog mosta, ne, to je drugi put.